Hey, how you guys doing? I just want to put this video tutorial together for my personal blog, which is located at ranktactics.com. On the first part of the blog, what I did was I showed all of you how to register a domain, which is very simple. I mean, if you go to www.godaddy.com, this is basically essentially the page you will arrive at. And what you can just do is you can go ahead and search a domain name here. So whatever you want to register, just type it in here. Okay, and you go ahead and then you'll do a quick search. Now once all that's completed, you can go ahead and install the WordPress platform. Now just another word of advice here, which is something that many of you might know or might not know. Domain is not the only thing. You do need to register some web hosting. Web hosting is very, very cheap. I usually stick to GoDaddy, and I usually stick to GoDaddy for my web hosting and my domain. Okay, so here's the domain. Again, domain search, and then obviously if you go to websites, no hosting. Oh, 1 second. Hosting. There you go. You can view all the premium hosting plans here. Now these are very cheap, as you can see, $5.49 a month. And if you pay uh, so you're actually saving 31%. So there are some good specials going on at GoDaddy right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to I already have a domain. I've already also have web hosting with GoDaddy for several years now. So I'm just going to log into my account, and then I'll meet you guys at the next screen where I will show you exactly how to install WordPress on your hosting. Okay, so let me go ahead and sign in. Okay, so once you've signed in, you're gonna end up on a screen like this. Okay, like just the top just has like some information regarding whose account and all that is. So this is basically the bottom right here. So what you can then do is you can go to uh, web hosting, and then I can go to launch. So this will launch basically my control panel for my web hosting. Okay. Um, Okay, great. So this is what's going to happen now. So you're going to basically end up on a screen like this. So what you need to do is very easy. This is why I love GoDaddy, because it's so simple getting stuff done that they've already given you like a WordPress installation script. So it's very easy. So all you need to do is click on WordPress. Okay, great. So what domain now? So see, I have so many domains here, but you just select your domain from here. You enter in your username. So let's just say, for example, if I do it to, okay, I can use this one. Yeah, and then all you need to do now is you're here on the screen. All right, there you go. So what you do is you add your username, which is required, needs to be 5 to 40 characters long. Password, confirm password, and the email address that you want to have the update once it's been installed email to. Okay, and then you just click OK, bang, and you're ready to go pretty much. So let's just say if I use career, I'll use this as admin as a sample, and what I'll do is I'll make a quick password here. Oh, passwords must match. So let me see what's going on here. Okay, great. So now they match. Boom, 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 boom. That's one. Domain selected directory. I'll put in the main directory unless you have a separate directory. So, but if you're gonna install, if I'm gonna install it on thecareerfinder.net/blog, that's basically the folder I want it to go into. But because I want it on the main domain, so because I want my blog and my WordPress site to come up right when somebody types in thecareerfinder.net, so I'm gonna leave it in the main directory. So if I click OK here, and it's pretty much installing. You can see that applications 4 installed and it's ready to go, and that is it. Okay, so once it's done, it will send you a quick email saying that the application has been installed. So and then after that you can just go and log in from the username and password you set up. You can just go and log in. Okay, and to log in you'll be going to your domain. So your domain.com wp.admin. There you go, -admin. Okay, so this is basically how you're gonna log into the GoDaddy. I mean, sorry, the WordPress backend once it's been installed. So you're gonna put your domain.com slash wp um, dash admin, and once you hit enter, you'll be able to log into the control panel. Okay, so thanks very much, and I hope you enjoyed my tutorial.